Picture this, it's 5 p.m. A major utility bill is due today, or maybe you're dealing with an urgent heating issue, and boom, you're suddenly locked out because you need your account number. If you've ever been in that exact spot, you know how incredibly stressful it is. Well, welcome to today's explainer. We are going to save you a whole lot of time and frustration by walking through exactly how to locate your CenterPoint Energy account number online when you're in an absolute rush.
Okay, let's dive into this survival guide by following this precise roadmap. 1. The missing account number. 2. Logging in and locating. 3. Alternate digital retrieval methods. 4. Pro tips and security. 5. Troubleshooting common login issues. And finally, 6. Conclusion and official disclaimer. Section 1. The missing account number. Why you need it right now. Like we just talked about, you're trying to pay that looming bill or get a technician out to your house, but you're stopped dead in your tracks. The system is asking for your account number, and let's be real, you don't have a paper bill anywhere in sight. You know, it's a super common hurdle, but it's one we can easily clear together. So, what is this number exactly? It's a unique, dash-delimited numeric string, usually formatted as a few digits, a dash, and more digits. And without it, you simply cannot proceed. Think of it as your digital key to the kingdom. You absolutely need it for everything from processing payments to pulling up service details to just proving you are who you say you are to a customer service rep. Section 2, Logging in and Locating, the standard portal pathway. Let's start with the most direct route, the ideal happy path. It's just 4 simple steps. First, navigate to the CenterPoint Energy My Account website. Second, enter your registered email address. That's your user ID. Third, type in your secure password, and boom! Once you're in, just look over to the left side of your dashboard, and your account number will be proudly displayed right there. But hold on a second. If you're struggling to log in, you really need to keep in mind the strict differences between your user ID and your password. Your user ID is super chill. It's just your email, and it is not case sensitive. Your password, on the other hand, highly case sensitive. It has to be between 8 and 20 characters, include at least 1 number and 1 letter, and this is a big one, it absolutely cannot contain spaces. Actually, just make sure you don't accidentally hit the spacebar at the end. That gets a lot of people.
Section 3, Alternate Digital Retrieval Methods. What if you can't log in?
So what happens if the portal is a total no-go? We've got a fantastic fallback strategy for you right here. If you already have the mobile app, just use your Face ID or fingerprint and check the billing tab. No app? No problem. Call the automated phone lookup, punch in your phone number and the last 4 of your social security number, and it'll read the account number right back to you. Now, if you just need to pay your bill right this very second, use the guest pay bypass. Just plug in your phone number, house digits, and zip code to pay without even logging in. And hey, never underestimate the power of simply searching your personal email inbox for an old CenterPoint confirmation message. Quick side note for our electric customers out there, if you're only looking for your ESI ID, your electric service identifier, you can actually skip the portal entirely. CenterPoint has this handy address lookup tool specifically for it. Your ESI ID is always a 17-digit number starting with 008901, and it's tied directly to your physical address. Super easy.
Section 4, Pro Tips and Security. Keeping your account accessible.
Okay, now that we've found that elusive account number, let's make sure you literally never lose it again. I highly recommend downloading the CenterPoint app for iOS or Android and immediately enabling biometric login. Face ID or fingerprint, it's absolutely the best way to keep this vital info in your pocket without memorizing another crazy password. Also, grab that dash-delimited number and drop it into a secure encrypted password manager. And finally, just set up autopay. If you do that, you'll never have to stress about a missed payment, even if you completely forget your login next month. Section 5. Troubleshooting common login issues. Overcoming the digital hurdles. Despite our best efforts, technology can be a pain. Notice this massive number 5? That is the absolute maximum number of failed login attempts you get before CenterPoint locks your account. It's a strict security measure designed to protect your data from brute force bot attacks, so be careful when guessing that password. And if you do accidentally trigger that security lock, you are going to face a mandatory 30-minute cooldown period. There's no secret bypass for this one. You just have to wait out the half hour until access is automatically restored. Here's another hurdle that freaks people out. If you log in and your dashboard just says access pending, take a deep breath. You aren't locked out. If you just registered for a new service, this just means the system is taking its standard 24 to 48 hours to verify your identity against the service address. It's totally normal. Still stuck? Let's check a few basic things. Make sure you're using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari so things load properly. If you get one of those weird, squiggly CAPTCHA images that makes you question if you're actually a robot, just hit refresh to get a new one. Double check that your caps lock is off, and this is crucial. If you recently changed your phone number, the automated identity verification will fail. You'll literally have to call customer service directly to get your profile updated.
Section 6 Conclusion and Official Disclaimer. Wrapping up and staying safe. Look at that! You are now fully equipped to retrieve your account number, bypass those annoying login hurdles, and get your bills paid on time. Whether you use the standard portal, the mobile app, or that clever guest pay bypass, you've got the exact blueprint you need. If you found this explainer helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, share this with a friend, and definitely subscribe for more expert advice. Before we go, a quick official reminder. Digital systems and security protocols do change over time, so always defer to CenterPoint Energy's official website or give their customer service a ring at 1-800-332-7143 for the absolute most up-to-date procedures. And I want to leave you with this thought to mull over before you close out today. With your utility account finally secured, how many other essential accounts in your life could really benefit from a quick digital checkup right now? Seriously, taking just 5 minutes today to store your account numbers and set up Face ID could save you hours of panic tomorrow. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and we will see you in the next explainer.